Hey YouTubers, quick video on a repair of a Johnny Stewart Deluxe cassette tape game caller that I picked up at a local secondhand store for a few dollars. Got inside here, it was in beautiful shape. The tape would roll around but no sound came out, so I got inside even further, pulled these boards out where I could get access to them. I found that this audio crossover capacitor, 2.5 microfarads, was highly suspect. Had paint peeling on it like it got really hot. Not having that particular one in stock, I did a parallel connection with three 1 microfarad capacitors. You can see it's kind of a hokey connection. I'll fix that up, clean that up as I put it back together. But to my delight, that works now. I hooked it up to had to buy a aftermarket horn and then get a adapter, take it from the mini to the 1/4 inch. But it works. So you could buy that same capacitor. I'm just going to throw this back together. If it ain't broke, don't fix it. It'll work fine. And that is the repair that I made. Make sure you hook them up in parallel. Series won't do it. That is 3 1 microfarad capacitors. Fix the problem. Thanks for watching.